Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is our PR travel vlog. Right now we're in the airport. We went through security and everything, and now we are walking to our terminal and hoping that we can find somewhere that has a place that I can fill up my water bottle with water and ice. Okay, so we are going next into there. Zone 3! Let's get out. Okay, we're welcome to board. I gotta throw this thing away. Oh shoot, is it okay? Okay, I threw it in the recycling even though there's water. Oh no, where'd they go? We're going. You remember the seat numbers? Hi. So you sit right there. Oh. Alright, so we landed like two hours ago.
Like 2.5 hours ago.
Okay, yeah, it was a long time. Our layover is like 4 hours, and so we're just chilling at the charging station. Literally not a charging station, but like it's like this secret area that we found that has chargers on the wall next to the seats, but we're laying on the ground, and I think I'm gonna try to go sleep because it's either sleep now until like,
or don't sleep till 2 in the morning.
Yeah,
you can fall asleep on the plane, which I fell asleep on the plane.
I could fall asleep for like on the flight to France that was like 8 hours. I fell asleep for like 45 minutes. That's all I could do. But also I wasn't on an end seat, so maybe being on the end I can sleep better. Okay, short update. We're on the second plane. We're almost there. Well, we haven't left yet, but we're almost there because we're on the second one. It's so dark at nighttime. Jordan's scared, so hopefully we make it. I thought they put us on a bigger plane, but they put us on a normal plane, so I guess we're not going that far. I forgot to say something, but I really want you to see it, if you can see it. But doesn't it look like, I don't know if you can see, it looks like there's goggles laying on the wing. Like, I got in here and I was like, why are there goggles there? How did those get there? But it's not goggles. It's like a tie thing, like a boat. So no goggles on the plane. I want us to like turn so we can get a good... Okay guys, we just got here and we're just waiting on them. They're scanning your QR codes when you come to make sure that you have your negative corona test, because they're actually smart here, unlike where we live, but it's fine, we're vaccinated now. This is what we need to have been doing about 1.5 years ago. We got our bags from the luggage place. So yeah, we're gonna try to find an Uber or taxi and hopefully go to sleep tonight. We got a taxi, we're gonna load up shop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We made it. Yeah. So dark though, but it's so quiet. It's so weird. Okay, so today's day 1 of being here. It's like 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and we slept kind of late because we went to sleep at like 3 a.m. because our flight got here so late. We finally get to see the view outside. I will show you guys. There's a little fort down there. These people are clearly very good at taking care of their plants. Oh, there's a bird. There is like part of the ocean. Oh, there's an airplane. I guess the airport's over there. And we got over here. There's like the bigger fort all the way down there that we really want to go to later. So our plan is to go to a beach today. We're not completely sure which one, but probably just the closest one today. And we're gonna have to do that kind of later. And we also have groceries coming because there's no food here and we need to get water bottles and stuff and snacks to eat because we don't want to eat out every meal. But I will do kind of a little Airbnb tour for you guys. So here is the door that you come in. And then here you have the first king bed in the living room. It's like a fold-up bed. And then there's the balcony. And then there's Allison. And there's me. And that's like the eating area, I guess. And then here we've got a closet, and here's the kitchen. Super nice that it comes with a kitchen. We can put stuff in the fridge and eat food and not eat out every meal. There's a microwave, sink, you know, like kitchen things. Here is the bedroom, and the lighting's gonna be kind of bad. There's like a window thing back here that you can open, but the AC is good in this room, so we're trying to not open anything. Here is the other king bed. Super nice that this place has 2 king beds because I hate being crammed. And then here is the bathroom. Toilet, you know, normal bathroom stuff, shower. little window thing to outside, which I have been leaving open just for airflow in the bathroom because I don't want it to get mildewy, you know? So yeah, that's basically the apartment. It looks so nice outside when you wear contacts and you can see far away. The island's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was. I mean, like, I knew it was kind of small, but like looking at the map, it looks like it's like pretty far to walk from one side to the other. But this is basically like one side to the other side over where you see the water. So it's really not that big. As big as I thought. Oh, there's a bird. And we're really interested to see what kind of animals they have here because I feel like there might be lizards. I don't know, but it'd be really cool if there's like those big lizards on the beach. So hopefully we get to see some wildlife. And apparently there's monkeys in the rainforest, but we are not in the rainforest, so I doubt we'll see any monkeys in Old San Juan. All right, so we found a beach that's like 10-minute walk. So we're gonna go there instead because the Ubers are ridiculously expensive. It's like $20 per way to go to a beach 20 minutes away. And then there's, or not 20 minutes, 10 minutes. And then the 20-minute away beach, it's $60 per way. Our flight was literally cheaper than that. The good thing about this, about PR, is that it's all pretty much the beach, so it's windy everywhere, which makes it good because otherwise it would be super hot. Guys, I just saw this little hole and there's literally a crab inside of it.
Oh, that's a big.
Oh my god, I was right. They do have those here. Guys. Oh my god, he's eating.
That thing's huge.
So cool. He's just hanging out. Oh, there's one right here. Look. I don't know if you see him. Alright guys, I'm going in to investigate the water. All I have is my mask. I didn't bring my snorkel because I didn't think I need it, but I probably do. Yeah, I'm gonna go see what's under there and I will show you guys. Hopefully my GoPro's okay because I've never taken it under before and I couldn't find my underwater case, but it's supposed to be waterproof anyway, so I'm just gonna rinse it with fresh water after it goes to the ocean. We were walking to the restaurant and we found these cute statues. This one. And there's one on a chair in there. I don't know if you can see it. Hi. And there's this one, very friendly.
This one.
They're hungry.
Look, he jumped down.
Hi. Oh, hello. Look out. So, I don't know if we explained this, but apparently it's the same time here and there, but we're in a different time zone. So, it's like 7:30. Is it even 7:30? Yeah, it's like 7 o'clock and it's already getting dark. And where we live, it doesn't get dark until like after 8. Like the sun sets at like 8:30. So apparently this is like a time zone to the right, but it's the same time, but it's getting dark earlier. So I don't know, it's just baffling my brain. And I literally brought sunglasses because I thought it was gonna be sunny. Okay, we're just going in souvenir shops now because we got our name on the list. They're at like 7% capacity, which is really good, and they should have been doing that where we are, but no. So yeah, we're just looking around, and we already went in 2 other ones and got some stuff. Okay, so we just went to a restaurant. We spent like an hour and a half there because it took forever, and we waited like an hour before that at another restaurant. We never got a spot, so yeah, that's why I went to that restaurant.
Let Keymaster go ahead. Let Keymaster go.
And now we're walking up a bunch of stairs, and we just walked up the hill, and then we're gonna go to bed. So yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to watch our next vlog tomorrow. Bye guys.